Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off the Windows border color on your Windows 11 computer. So if you don't want it to display an accent color around borders, I'm going to show you guys how to turn that off. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select personalization. And then on the right side, you want to go down and select colors. You want to scroll down on the right side here, and where it says show accent color on title bars and window borders, if it's turned on, you want to go toggle it to the off position just by clicking inside of the oval one time. And that's all you have to do. The change should take effect immediately. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.